What are the key qualities and skills needed to become a successful nurse?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about an extremely important role in our healthcare system, nursing. If you've ever wondered what it takes to be a successful nurse, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the key qualities and skills that make a nurse successful.
What is a successful nurse?
A successful nurse isn't just someone who has mastered the technical aspects of their job. They're a professional who can handle stress, communicate effectively, and empathize with patients, all while maintaining a high standard of medical care. Success in nursing is about the harmony of technical skills, interpersonal abilities, and a passion for helping others.
Technical skills.
Let's start with the hard skills required. As a nurse, you need a solid foundation in medical knowledge, from understanding human anatomy to being able to administer medication properly. Moreover, you'll need to have excellent manual dexterity, since tasks such as inserting IV lines and giving injections require careful hands. Familiarity with medical equipment and technology is also a must.
Interpersonal skills.
Next up, interpersonal skills. These are crucial, as a nurse interacts with patients, their families, and a whole team of healthcare professionals on a daily basis. Excellent communication skills are a must, as is emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of the people around you. The capacity for empathy is also essential. This involves understanding the patient's feelings and responding appropriately.
Emotional resilience and stress management.
Nursing can be a highly stressful profession. That's why emotional resilience and stress management skills are essential. You need to be able to cope with challenging situations, such as dealing with critically ill patients, and maintain your composure in high-stress scenarios. Self-care and mindfulness can play a huge role here.
Dedication and passion.
Lastly, but very importantly, a successful nurse needs dedication and passion. This profession involves long hours, night shifts, and a constant need for learning and adaptation. A passion for helping others and a commitment to the profession can make all the difference. So, that's it. To be a successful nurse, you need a mix of technical knowledge, interpersonal skills, emotional resilience, and a deep dedication to helping others. If you can bring all these to the table, you're well on your way to making a significant difference in people's lives through your work. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, whether you're an aspiring nurse or a veteran in the field, there's always room to grow and improve.